Hey guys, welcome to 3158 Hopland Street in the heart of West Sacramento. I'm excited to show you this new listing that's going to hit the market this week. Come on inside and take a peek.
And the thing about your boy is I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me. That's right, whip your lovin' on me. Young Jackaka, Rico like Suave, young Enrique, speaking at AKA. She's an alpha, but not around your boy. She get quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print, that's how bad she won't be spotted around your boy.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me.
I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still.
Who would want a home with a private backyard, a built-in swimming pool for those hot summer days, or those warm nights for the family barbecues? Contact us for a private tour or visit our website for more information.